Welcome back. We're now joined with Jack Sears with weather.
So Jack, what can we expect for the rest of the week as we head on?
Yeah, so we did see some very tropical-like moisture with Tropical Depression Nate, and for the rest of the week we're actually going to see some more unsettled weather. Nothing like we had with Nate, but if we take a look at our Wednesday planner, you can see that we're going to have some chances for showers throughout the day. Tomorrow morning when you wake up around 7 a.m., you can see that it's going to be in the mid-50s. We have a chance of sun. That's you're most likely to see it during the day tomorrow in the morning. And then throughout the day, we're going to increase our chances for a shower, moving into the mid-60s, and then later on in the day into the low 50s. So not a lot of fluctuation because of those clouds, but you can expect some unsettled weather the next couple of days. Taking a look at our national temperatures, you can see that in Florida, in Louisiana, and down south, we have temperatures in the high 80s to low 90s, and some of this warmth is going to be headed our way. We're not going to have high 80s and low 90s, but we're going to have temperatures approaching 80 to the upper 70s, so some really nice weather. Today, we're standing in the 70s, so 77 in Albany, 73 in Syracuse, and then 75 in Buffalo. So some really above average temperatures for this time of year. Taking a look down south, 80s, they're right about average. In the southeastern United States, you can expect 70s. But then we start going north to where we had those 70s to mid-70s to 80s. Those are actually well above average because they should be having the 60s. And then look at New York, in central New York. We should be in the 50s for highs this time of year. And those are around where our low temperatures have been lately. So really shocking weather we've had recently. So, and it doesn't look like it's going to change. Taking a look at our dew points throughout the country, we have humid air from where Nate made landfall down on the south. Also up in central New York, you realize last week I did talk about how you could have had a scratchy throat from that dry air. Well, now that's changed. We're standing in the 60s, so it's muggy, but not super uncomfortable like you see down south. That's some really moist air that they have down south. That air is actually going to get more humid throughout the week as we have this low pressure boundary. That's going to approach us over the next couple of days and bring us some unsettled weather. It's mainly going to stay to our south, looking at the map tomorrow, and set up right above or right around West Virginia. So that part of the country. But those showers are going to swing up and kind of hit us, and it doesn't look like it's going to move fast. You can see in a day it just moved over a couple of states. So that's going to stay there throughout the next couple of days, and it's going to have our chance for showers just kind of here for the next couple of days. It's Ithaca, and we get a lot of rain, so it's just kind of what you would expect this time of year. Taking a look for the rest of tonight, you can expect temperatures in the low 50s, around 51. Partly cloudy, chance shower towards you get earlier towards the morning. Winds light, not much happening in the wind department. Taking a look at tomorrow, you can see that we're going to have temperatures in the mid-60s, around 64. Mostly cloudy in the morning, and then showers as we move throughout the day and get towards noon to the evening commute. And then taking a look at your next 7 days, you can see that over the next 3 days, we're going to be in the mid-60s with temperatures in the low 50s as lows. Showers most of those days, hit or miss. Nothing that you'll need to pack the raincoat for, but maybe bring the umbrella with you. Taking a look at next weekend, you can expect temperatures in the mid-70s. Beautiful weekend, almost like San Diego-like, not Ithaca, New York-like. It's going to be dry. It's going to be a great weekend to get out there and enjoy it. Next weekend, we look to return, early next week, I should say, we look to return to the mid-60s with chances for more showers.
Great. So the cold weather should be lasting until the end of this week and then going into next week?
And it's relatively cold weather compared to what we had, but this time of year it's still above average, so it's pretty shocking how warm our weather has been, and it looks like for the next 8 to 10 to 14 days that it's going to stay this way, so we should enjoy it while we can.
All right. Thank you, Jack. When we come back,